Here's Goldwagen's expert advice on how to replace your vehicle's battery. Whew! So, a pop battery doesn't need to go to a factory. With a few basic tools, you can do it yourself. Make some notes. 1. You got to get everything you need. A new battery that I just lugged in, a wrench or pliers, and a wire brush or terminal cleaner. 2. Let's look for the old battery. But what about vehicles that have it in the boot? 3. Now you need to disconnect the old battery. Be careful around the electric cables. To begin, loosen and remove the black negative cable with the correct size spanner. Do the same for the red positive cable. To avoid a short circuit, keep these two cables separate. 4. Once the cables are clear, you can remove the battery, loosen and remove the hold-down clamp or bracket that secures the battery, then carefully lift the old battery out. 5. You'll need to clean the battery terminal. Use a wire brush or battery terminal cleaner to remove any corrosion or buildup. 6. Now you're ready to install the new battery. Place it in the same position as the previous one, and once it's flush, secure it and hold it down with the clamp or bracket. 7. You can reconnect the cables by starting with the red positive, attach the positive terminal, and then connect the black negative cable. Securely tighten the cable and connections, and you're ready to test the new battery. Start the engine to check if it's working. Batteries contain sulfuric acid and can be dangerous if handled incorrectly. If you're not comfortable working with batteries, or strong enough, let a professional mechanic do the job. Always follow the specific instructions for your vehicle, and remember that your owner's manual will contain more detailed instructions if you ever need them. Sharing is caring, and when you know, you know. Get in the know. Goldwagen, the parts supplier of choice, catering for all top vehicle brands. Now I've got to lug this battery out of here.